going to show you my latest Scratch project.
Cool. Can you show me how you did it?
Yep. You just need to press this.
So what are you using?
I'm using Scratch right now.
Scratch, okay.
All you really need to do is this, and then you can count how long this is, and then you can put it right there, press high, wait 6.7 seconds, and then so. And then this is what you come up with.
Cool. Where did you learn that?
I learned that from experience and CodaKid.
Cool. Was it a class?
Not really a class, it was a couple of videos.
Oh, tutorial?
Yes.
Okay. Good job.
In CodaKid, it taught me that I should use images in vector. What I mean by that is, so I took this image and I imported it to Scratch, and originally it was on bitmap, but when it's on bitmap it's really pixelated and it looks like just a bunch of cubes making up the wisteria. But in vector it looks a lot more smooth and put together and just much better, and you can also edit it. But like there's more ways to edit. Would you like to see my project?
Yes. Is it running?
Yeah, I just stopped it there.
Oh, I didn't see it run.
Oh, sorry.
I bet these.
Just ran that.
Oh, right there. Okay, yep. So you learned how to move text. Cool. Can I see the code behind it? Do you want to tell us what those little keys mean?
In here, I set the size of the text. You see, like right here, I can change the size of the text. Say, I want 100. Want it to be that size. Goes a little smaller.
Okay. What about these keys over here? The code.
In this code, in the costumes, I made it so that it looks so that it has this.
Mm-hmm.
And in here, basically, it switches from the costumes to make it look kind of like it hits and bounces.
Mm.
In here, it's just so that every time it hit the flag, it goes to the same exact spot.
Oh, okay. So that stops it there.
Here, it's the way that it goes down.
Mm-hmm.
And this is just when it bounces.
Cool. Thanks, May.
This is what I learned from CodaKid. This is a command block in Minecraft, and you can use these to do a whole number of things. These use Java, which is the coding language that Minecraft uses, and you can input a command here in the command block that will do a certain thing when given a redstone signal. Redstone is like electricity in Minecraft. This button will create a redstone signal. I have added a command here that will give me 20 command blocks when I press this button. This is an impulse command block, and it will only happen once. This is a repeat command block, and when I flick this lever, it'll keep giving me command blocks until I tell it to stop by flipping the lever back. This is an impulse command block connected to 2 chain command blocks. These command blocks will perform their command after this one has performed its command, and then this one will perform its command after this one has performed its command. To do that, I just press this button, and it turns me into survival, gives me a diamond sword, and spawns a skeleton.
Cool. So how does it help you in the game?
With these, I can do things like make an axe that shoots fireballs, or I can make it so that I could give myself diamond armor and diamond sword and then spawn a bunch of mobs to fight. Or I could make it so that I can get any number of items from the game with this one, and then this one I can do all of those things with.
Awesome. It sounds really useful.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Bubs.